What is going on, ladies and gents? Very exciting news today. Box came in actually a couple of days ago, but I've been busy with work. I haven't had a chance to unbox it, so I'm gonna do that right now. From the title of the video, obviously this is this new Strut bar that I got. I actually went on I don't know how I found. Oh, I was watching another YouTube video, and the creator came. He told me about this guy on Instagram who does customized strut bars, and the company, I guess, that he has is called grocerygetterracing. I will just link it. I'll link his Instagram down below. I haven't looked at it, so we're gonna find out right now if he did a really good job. You guys know that I named the car Nemesis. It's really just based off Greek mythology. Nemesis is actually a Greek goddess of vengeance. It doesn't have anything to do with Resident Evil or anything like that, if you guys were thinking that. But anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna check this out. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, get it done, and then I'm installing the car. Some issues. Not issues, but I guess I'm going back and forth and debating on if there's something that I want to do with the engine cover or not. I'm kind of indecisive if I just want to remove the engine cover or if I just want to leave it on and put decals on it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys do, if you actually do remove the engine cover, if there's any negative, positive effects that it has on your car. If you left it on, just put decals on it. But I don't know, I'm just kind of indecisive on how I want the inside of the car to look when you pop open the hood. If you just see the strut bar and just the engine, or if you see the strut bar and you see the engine cover with the decal. So kind of going back and forth. But let's get into this. Let's check it out. Let's see how it looks. That's all I got. Man, I'm learning right along with you. Like I said, I'm doing these videos, these car modification videos. I didn't have a dad growing up that just wore a tank top walking around the house all day with a wrench in his back pocket and, you know, he just working on muscle cars all day. So I'm kind of learning everything as I go, doing a lot of research. I've always wanted Challenger when they came back out again. But, you know, I had to work hard, hustle, and get my money up to afford one. But, yeah, let's check out the strut bar. Let's get to it. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. You see right here, Nemesis there. This is my first time seeing this with you guys and unboxing. Out of here, make sure I don't hit the fan. Here it is. Let's lay it down. Alright. I'll get my knife. It's upside down. Got it the same color as the car. I asked for blue and black. You see it. Looks really good. So they say the strut bar is supposed to also improve handling and stuff like that for your car. If you want to know the science behind all that, look it up on YouTube. To me, that looks dope. So when you lift it up, you'll see Nemesis. Can't remember off the top of my head how much I paid for this. Whenever I install this, because this will be install video too, I'll let you know that information. But yeah, man, it actually looks really good. Everything feels solid. Nothing feels cheap on it. Like it looks really good. Big ass lettering. So yeah, that's it. So when we continue this, I'll be outside installing on the car. Hopefully it'll be an easy install, and we'll see how the handling, if it, you know, improves the handling or not. I'll let you guys know. So yeah, let's get her done. Alright, so I got the strut bar out. by the car, you can see my whole dilemma is this: should I remove the cover or not? I'm gonna just leave it for right now. I'm gonna see if I can get some decals for it. So like, the engine cover that comes is this big blocky thing with the gray, but I'm thinking maybe I'll just get some decals, some blue decals for the Hemi, maybe for the lines, maybe for the 5.7 liter and a V8 lettering, the Hemi lettering on the other side. Besides the point, this should be a fairly easy install. I went ahead and just took a flat head screwdriver and popped off the covering that was here. You can see this one still has it on. Got a little bit of shade, so we're just gonna go ahead and mount this on. Should be fairly simple. Let's set it up. Alright, so the first thing we need to do, these 3 screws here, 1, 2, 3, are these nuts on here. You just need a 13 millimeter socket, maybe something a little bit extended, because if you get anything too short, it won't be long enough. So there it is. Really simple install. It's probably the quickest one I've done so far, but don't really have the light hitting it like I want to, but so you guys can see. I like it. I think what I am gonna probably do, maybe leave this on, but I'll probably just get like the coloring for there. I'll probably just do the lettering here, the Hemis on the sides. Probably won't worry about the lines, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. I will put the information on how I order this and how much it costs in the description. I think initially what I did was like a $50 down payment, and then he gave me the rendering of, you know, what the idea was after I gave him like what lettering I wanted and everything. It took about 4 to 6 weeks. Showed up really nice, really good quality. Install looks really good. I like it a lot. Let me know if you guys like it. Also, drop a comment. Let me know if you guys actually remove the engine cover, if you do have covers, if you leave the cover on, if you added decals. Trying to get some ideas on what I want to do. So subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if this helped you out at all. And comment on a video on, like, you know, maybe something you want to see in the future. That's pretty much all I have.